Protest must end. Science does not lie. Numbers do not lie. So from the list, which is Budiza, all the way to Mbagala at the time. Now, Fort Portal has taken over, just like you have said. What is at stake are the young people. Where does the business happen? In the massage parlors, in bathrooms, in science halls, in schools. One time I mentioned schools, and honorable chair, somebody wanted to stone me to death. These children in secondary schools and universities are super sexually active. This data is representing all that.
Hachihemia nyerukubi. Ati gambara site igiye kwasira kati. Iriyo mu 11% kandi yet Uganda yene ringai ya 4.7. Nka Bushenyi Gureta, Bushenyi Administration District eri 8.4. Abantu igana cina munana bariki barugire. Cyo muna cyuruhura. Neni ka 8.2. Muno mu bunyankore. So mbarasite cyuruhura Bushenyi yukwasira kati ahabubirobo. Kunka cyirgaho kano gitaho ki uzogitaho second in line ukarasoza ashema nezindi za 7 point something.
Ahabwa Bushenyi district okumwahurira prevalence ya HIV is hatebya 100% ya munana ninga shindi ushweka munana harigana n'ubarwira ko kasimo mu Bushenyi district. Iyo report ya Uganda AIDS Commission turiyo tugeza gukora ibintu byinike mwahura tugambaho akwantu manyemyanya iyi akasirimu karahiye buri munonga kucira handi cyo kureberaho ko mu Bushenyi tunehe byanga kazakizinda tunehe byanga kazamashonga akashanda nanishaka aho twumanya ngo HIV AIDS erho hiye ingashi ako kasirimu abarwire barwahiye kucira handi kandi harimo n'ibindi bintu bikorwa mu kuretera kayiyongera. So kabimwe twagambaho okushanga abakuvuga za trucks n'ibijaba parkinga kina n'abana b'amashomero n'ibindi na za institutions muri shaka aticho kiretera habaho interaction pango hagati y'abantu abo.
We have also discovered and confirmed because we have got to visit the Mbarara Regional Hospital that the HIV new infections are now more high in the younger people between the age of 15 and 29. And worse still, the people we would think are not involved so much, the older men. There is also an increase in new infections in older men.
Nabwecho echamana cyo nogira ngo hati emyaka mingi Uganda bene dependinga ahabuko obuyambi abako kuronsa ko kasirimu nanoko okora ko kurebera barwire bitu abarwire kandi kiriyare obuyambo buri no bucendera nabwe kimwe ahacha committee ece no gukora ngashite tugizo no kureba no kureba utakwasakora kana Ministry of Finance na government yona okutoyitebekanisa okureba abarwire bako ku kasirimu tubabona ngoko abajungu bakati ngofu essence zabo.